To fix a Spectrum router with a blinking yellow light indicating a poor connection, start by restarting your router, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the router, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. This simple step can sometimes reset the connection and resolve the problem. If the issue persists, check your cables and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Verify that the coaxial cable is tightly connected to both the router and the wall outlet. Also check the Ethernet cables if you are using them to connect devices to the router. Next, check for any physical obstructions or interference that may be affecting your signal. Move your router to a central location in your home and away from walls and other devices that may be causing interference. Update your router firmware, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. You can do this by logging into your router settings and checking for updates. If you are still experiencing issues, contact your internet service provider to check for any outages or maintenance in your area. They can also help you troubleshoot the issue or send a technician to your home if necessary. Additionally, you can try resetting your router to its factory settings, but be aware that this will erase all of your custom settings. It is also important to check your internet plan and ensure that it is sufficient for your needs. If you have a lot of devices connected to the internet, you may need to upgrade to a higher speed plan. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue with your Spectrum router blinking yellow light. Remember to always check the physical connections and settings before contacting your internet service provider for assistance.